Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Gavin Honse and Kayla Smoot for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi. All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Crystal Jennings was the winner of last week's contest. She received 8 more votes than Brittany and had an average of 4.04. Congratulations, Crystal. All right, I also want to send a special shout out to Brittany, who did a great job as well. Brent went undefeated in rounds 1 and 2 and has qualified as a wild card for the fashion show in October. Today's contest is the final matchup of the victory round. The winner of this week's battle will be the last MUA to advance to our grand finale in Raleigh on Saturday, October 30th. The challenge for today's battle is Egyptian eyes, using an ancient or modern Egyptian theme as part of the look. Now let's meet our guests, starting with Gavin. Hey, Gavin.
Hey, Crystal.
How has business been since your last time on the show?
It's been crazy. I have gotten a lot of requests from people on Instagram to do collabs. Just in my hometown, homecoming week was fire. That was epic. That was a money-making weekend. It's just been really busy. It's been super good. Thank you for asking.
Good. I can imagine you guys are great, and just every show you're stepping it up. So I can imagine people are watching. All right, Kayla, how about you? How have you been?
I have been great. As far as business, it's been booming, whether I'm getting inquiries or booking appointments. I have calls for charity events and fashion shows that I'm, dabbling in at this point. So everything has been amazing.
Look at you guys doing it big. All right, well, so happy to have you back on the show.
Thank you.
Let's start the show with Kayla's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the Egyptian eye look that she created in this round. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Gavin will have a chance to critique it.
All right, you guys. So for today's look, we're going to channel ancient Egypt. We are bringing in and incorporating the ancient Egyptian eye looks with modern Egyptian eye looks to give you guys sort of a mesh between 21st century and ancient Egypt. So I hope you all like what I put together today. Make sure to stay tuned. Okay, we are 20 minutes in from the last clip I showed you guys. So as you can see, I've cut the crease, I've blended most of it out. I have added in some gold pigment, and now I'm getting ready to start with my blacks so I can blend those out and we can take this look to the next level. Stay tuned for the next clip. All right, guys, so we are an hour into the look at this point. As you can see, within an hour, I have applied the rhinestones, put on my glitter, blended everything out, cut crease, all of that. Now what I'm going to do is apply lips and then eyelashes, and I will be back with the finished look. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the finished look. Yes, I'm wearing clothes. I actually have a little dress. This is the outfit of the day. Not really, but if I was going out tonight, it definitely would be a little toned down on the makeup. But this is my Egyptian look. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed creating it. I definitely put a lot of time and energy into the research to make sure that I provided the accurate representation of Egyptian culture rather than Egyptian people. As far as beauty, this is definitely up their realm of things and how their standard of beauty looks. So I definitely enjoyed this. Again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to go and vote for me.
All right, Kayla, what research did you do for this look?
So for this look, this entire challenge was really one of my favorite. I actually got to pull from some people that I know who are Egyptian and, celebrate their Egyptian culture on a regular basis. And
Wow.
Shout out to Nadia Rashwan and let me see, Veronica. I always want to say Vanessa. Veronica Mosse. She's actually an editorial photographer, and Nadia is a nail tech. She does it all. She's a barber, nail tech,
Nice.
realtor, everything. But shout out to them for really helping me and giving me pointers on this look, and really helping me tap into Egyptian culture from ancient Egypt all the way to modern Egypt, which is really what I tried to do, in combining the two into the look that I gave you all today. So yeah, that was my inspiration, my research, all that.
I can tell you pulled it together. All right, Gavin, are you ready to critique it?
I am so ready. I loved your look. It was so good. Your eyes were booming. That eyeliner was so sharp. It was so beautiful. Your eyebrow moment was just so iconic. The skin was so smooth. Like, your skin just looked flawless. Your lips looked beautiful. Oh, it was just so high fashion. I'm nervous, girl.
Thank you.
He's right. You did a really great job. As always, I love your incorporation of colors. You always put the colors together to bring your look out. The green, the plums, just everything. The black. I really love the gold. The gold flecks. I love that. And then your eyes. Love that. You said those were rhinestones?
Mm-hmm. Rhinestones as the eyebrows. I was going for the editorial. Fashion Week just left us, so I was feeling it.
You did a great job. She did. You did a great job of mixing it together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's time for Gavin's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes view of the Egyptian eyes look that he created this round. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Kayla will have a chance to critique it.
Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in a different filming location, so work with me as I fine tune all the details. But I am Gavin, I am 19 years old, and I am back for round 3 of Makeup Battle. Today I'll be doing an Egyptian inspired goddess type of look. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, so we're just gonna jump into it. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and prime my eyes. And then I will come back when I have a little bit of progress done on the eyes to show you where I'm at and what I'm doing. And then we will jump into the face. So let's go. All right, guys. So I have my eye primer on. I went with more of a darker eye primer base because I'm going to be using more warmer brownie tones, and I feel like it's just going to make them look better. And then we're going to go in with the Warrior by Juvia's Place and use some of the browns and the darker browns and lay down a base. And then I will come back and show you where I'm at. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my base colors down. This is kind of the shape and the colors we're working with. I'm gonna go in and add some liner and then add some touches to my eyes, and then I'll check back in with you. Okay guys, so this is what we got so far. I'm doing like a gold cut crease with like browns. I'm gonna go in and do my skin now, and then I will come in and update you whenever I am done with that. All right guys, so I have my base put on. I got my eyes partially done. I'm gonna go in and finish the eyes, and then I will come back and update you guys. All right guys, so this is what I got so far. I am going to add some finishing touches, do my hair, do my body, put on some accessories, and then I will come back and show you all the final look. All right, guys, so this is the final look. If you like what you see, go follow my Instagram at ghonse1, and don't forget to vote. This is the final round before the finale, and it really counts on your votes to get me there. So make sure you go vote at MakeupBattle.com.
Gavin, what research did you do for this look?
So my look was kind of like a cluster of like Pharaoh meets Cleopatra meets Anubis kind of deal. So I kind of just really researched how they did their makeup back then, and I was on Pinterest for countless of hours making like different mood boards, seeing what I could do with the look. And then I really focused on Anubis because the mask was like the Anubis part. I really liked the mask part. So I kind of focused on that a lot to make like the Mask of the Dead. So that's what I really, really researched the most, I feel like.
Gotcha. All right. Loved your look. So happy that you guys really did research to bring these looks together. Kayla, are you ready to critique it?
Yes, I am. Oh my gosh. Wow, Gavin. Okay. For starters, let me say, I loved your eye look. That was the whole point of this, and you understood the assignment. I loved everything about it, from the gold pigment that you used to the way that you lined the cut crease of your gold pigment eye look with the white, and then the liner and the Eye of Horus reference. The props. Oh my gosh. Everything about it was beautiful. I loved it. I loved it.
Thank you so much. Oh.
Welcome.
Well, Kayla said it all. She said all. There's nothing else for me to say, but that I loved your look. But like she said, you did a great job, from top to bottom, love the props. And I love the eyes, love the detail and the sharpness with the eyes. Really like that.
Thank you.
You guys, oh man, you guys did a fantastic job this round.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you vote for the winner by visiting www.makeupbattle.com. The winner of today's contest will be announced by email on Monday, October 3rd at 9 p.m. The email will also have a coupon for tickets to our fashion show in Raleigh, so be sure to check your inbox. Bye.
Bye.
Makeup Battle's coming to Raleigh for a live event on Saturday, October 30th. This is your chance to meet stars from the show as they compete for the grand prize of $500. Fashion models will be walking the runway along with music and A-Dub from K97.5. And if you like taking photos, get there early for a pop-up selfie experience by Picture Studios. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin.